What is going on, guys? Welcome to Po Boys. I'm Po. That's Gavin. That's Harry.
What's up? I like how every video you introduce us is exact same. What is going on, guys? I'm Po. That's Gavin. That's Harry.
They're still them. They don't change. All right, so we're really bored today, and we're like, what should we do? And we were thinking around, had a great idea. We have a welder sitting right there, and just recently we've done an exhaust on Gavin's car, and it sounds like a Viper. So check that video out. Let's do something. I'm gonna give Jake a call real quick.
Hello.
Hey, what's up?
I'm editing a video, as usual.
I have a question, and it's a very interesting question.
I like interesting questions.
You might say no, but my window is stuck down right now, and I need to go to Monroe, and I was wondering if I could possibly use your car because it's raining in Monroe. And Gavin said that I can't use any of his vehicles.
Yeah, what time are you gonna get back?
I don't know. It might be like 2, maybe 3 hours.
Okay, as long as you're back by 4:30, because I've got to go to Bossier at 4:30.
Yeah, I think I can make that happen.
Okay, in that case, yeah, it's fine. Yeah, Nick's actually coming to pick me up because I was working on this video, but we got to go to lunch to discuss some things, so that'll be fine. I know it's been a while since he drove it.
It's an easy car. If I can use your car to go to Monroe, I'll give you a full tank of gas.
Fair enough. You might need to, I only have like 45 miles to eat right now.
Okay, that's fine. But I'll give you a full tank of gas when I bring it back.
Okay, sounds good.
All right, sweet. I'll be there in a little bit. Where are you?
I'm in my house.
All right, sounds good. I'll see you in a bit.
All right, see you.
All right, bye-bye. My windows won't roll down, guys. They won't roll down, and they won't roll up either. Well, actually, no, there's nothing wrong with my car. You know how I said we had a welder in there? We're going to weld a new exhaust on Jake's car. We're gonna straight pipe it. So
He's gonna be so mad.
he mentioned it once before. He's like, I wonder what my car would sound like straight piped. And he's not like that kind of guy. He's not like a loud performance mod type dude. He wants to make his stuff look clean, but as soon as it sounds straight piped, I don't know what he's gonna think. I really don't have any idea of what he's gonna think about it. So we're gonna go find out.
He said that he's got to leave at 4:30 on an hour-long road trip and an hour-long trip back, so he'll have plenty of time to think about what he thinks about it.
That's true. I hope he doesn't get pulled over.
I'm not even gonna lie. His car's gonna be really raspy and loud. It's gonna be like, yo.
Let's just hope he doesn't notice.
Oh, he'll notice.
Okay, so there's Jake's car. He obviously can't see us right now because the tint's way too dark. He still can't even see that I'm recording him right now. I'm just gonna walk out like everything's normal.
Oh boy.
Dude, so I'm encoding a bunch of footage and remote camera recording before I'm converting it to ProRes. My all
Gosh dang, Jake is so tall. I gotta move the seat forward. Now I can actually feel the clutch. Oh, it's so quiet. So we're gonna roll out and do this. Jake's going to lunch with Nick, so they shouldn't be coming down here at all, so we should be good on that. Then he's gonna go back to edit some more. We're gonna figure out what lift we're gonna put it on and get it all ready to go. Okay, so I'm honestly just thinking I'm gonna grab a hacksaw, hack this off, hack that off, yeet, and then just start from scratch.
Hey, I have something that could be useful. These are from the Volvo.
If we need it, then we'll use it. Hi, Daniel. Say hi to yourself.
Hi, Daniel.
Or Caleb or Levi.
I'll see you later.
I'll see you later. Oh, speaking of, this is the man, Zorby. He's busy as hell editing my videos at the moment. Follow him up there. It's not in the sky, but he's actually on the roof this time. People got pissed off at me last time. It didn't say follow Zorby.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm so sorry.
So for anyone that was wondering, he pulled it out because I was like talking about something like really important at the time.
Sorry.
And I was like, follow Zorby. And it just didn't fit right in that video. It's just follow Zorby, all right? Just do it. So I'm gonna say it twice this video. So you do it twice. All right, so Gavin's getting in the car. We're gonna record a start. Go ahead. Literally nothing. That ain't too bad, but it could be a lot better. Or worse. We have no idea what it's gonna sound like.
It's literally just a straight pipe.
It's all one piece tool right here.
It's banded right here. Yeah, we could do that. But,
Good thing we got a Sawzall.
you don't wanna delete this?
It's gonna be loud. You can get a Y pipe.
That's what I was thinking, is get a Y pipe. I really don't want to, but at the same time, like, man, it'd be cool.
I know for sure he'll like it with the mufflers off, but bro, without that resonator on there, it's gonna be like,
Well, it's still got cats.
one cat.
It has cat.
Hang on, let me just show you what I'm.
Yeah, let's find a video. That's the resonator, not the muffler.
No, I'm showing you muffler delete only.
Oh, okay. Leave it to Ford. Every single rear end until like the brand new year's is rusted.
For some reason, they didn't put a coating until Harry's here.
Yeah, boy, what's up? My shit looking good.
Oh my gosh, them pesky YouTubers.
Bruh. See how loud it is with just the mufflers going?
Wow. Yeah, I don't know. All right, Jake. I love you, Jake.
Straight pipe.
I'm sorry. That's way too loud. He'll get a ticket for sure.
Hold up. Listen to the second one, how bad.
Ugh. Ugh. That sounds so bad. Okay, so what we're gonna do is probably just do the straight pipes and not the resonator because that's extremely loud. We don't want to make him like not be able to drive without getting a ticket.
Jake's a very like reserved person. He likes his stuff to be very quality, but not like showy. He would be very pissed off if we brought it back to him. It was like, nah.
Let's go to the store and see what we find. They're still doing tornado pickup. He's got a big old stump in his little thing. Got back from the store. Here's the parts we're gonna get. I also got him these nice little tips right here. And we're gonna replace his tips, his goofy looking tips with nice looking tips. We'll make them flush and all that good stuff. So that should look good. We're gonna see how it looks. All right. Woo! We don't need that where we're going. All right. Hola. What? Why is it so freaking like hard to do right there? The blade literally broke straight off.
Bro.
What?
How the fuck is that?
Oh, balls.
Oh, man.
That was almost bad. It's hot. Ooh. It doesn't even look broken. It just looks like it came off. I was so close to being done doing it too. It like just needs another inch of cut. All right, muffler number 2. We're gonna put this right over here just in case Jake's really mad that we're doing this. We're gonna make sure it sounds like okay before we do this completely, because if it sounds like booty crust, we're not doing it. So we gotta start it first. It actually doesn't sound bad at all. Give it a little bit of goof. Honestly, like that's not a bad sound at all. We're just... Boy, what? That doesn't sound bad at all. We're gonna keep this. Yep, we're definitely doing it. We're going through with it. Jake, I'm sorry. I only can say it now. We're straight piping your car. We got to do it. All right, so with the pipe we have, we're just gonna be able to do that. I'm gonna hold it right there, line it all up. There's gonna be a gap right there, or I can just fit that pipe right. And if I do, then it'll be freaking great.
That's gonna look good. It's gonna look like the Batmobile.
The Batmobile. Jake, the Batmobile is yours. And yes, guys, we understand the gas bottle standing by itself is very unsafe. We're gonna get a place for it. This cart had a place to do it, but I'm gonna have to fab mounts onto it to hold it on the cart. But I mean, honestly, it's not going anywhere. We all understand that the bottle could do a lot of bad things and it could be a rocket inside of here. So we all just don't touch it. And if we do, we're just very careful with it. All right, so that side of the exhaust right there is welded up. Now we got to do the other side, get that fitted up, get that welded on. Then we can weld up the mounts and put the tips on. We'll be good to go. So now all I got to do is weld up the hangers right here. And Gavin's getting it put inside of the hole, which he seems to be having a lot of trouble with. Oh, bang. Literally just like that. Exhaust hanger, and we're going to weld it directly to the pipe, and we'll make it freaking solid.
Hola, it's just a 6 here, and today Paul is going to weld the exhaust on Jake's car.
That is perfect, says Harry. Tack that thing, Poe.
That thing looks good, bro.
I like how they angle out this way, like to the side like that. Yeah, that's gonna look good, son.
Alrighty, folks. We just got all of the hangers in. Now I just need to set these tips to the right place, and we're probably just gonna keep them bolted on for now and see what he thinks about them. If he likes them, we're gonna weld it, and if not, then we'll just keep them, because like I said, he wasn't even expecting us to do anything with his car anyways. So if he doesn't like it, then we can unbolt them and weld his other tips on. But if not, we'll just keep these ones on.
You should like these. They're black on black, and they look really good.
Yeah, it's a lot better than what he had.
All right, let's lower it down and hear what it sounds like.
Oh boy, I like this a lot.
Were the black tips a good call?
They were a good call. That's not bad, dog. Boy, what? It sounds good. What? Well, we're about to go take it on a first test drive.
I'm gonna drive it around and drive it by the road so you can hear it.
We make this car sound like that? Yeah, make it sound like yours. 2 black Mustangs, all the boost and the Eco Boost. Oh boy, it sounds so good. Don't let me borrow your car for a little bit. I might come back with it straight piped or motor swap.
It sounds like driving by from the outside. Pretty good.
Like a race car. Yeah, it's like
Perfect volume too. It's not like
it's
I
not
thought
loud.
that it was gonna be like obnoxious as hell.
Honestly, I'm happy it sounds as good. Yeah. All right, guys, I'm happy. I'm gonna switch to the GoPro. Oh, it's popping so much. Jake, I hope you love this, dude. It sounds so freaking good. All right, let's go. It sounds so freaking good. I cannot get enough of it. I'm gonna roll the windows up and see if it has any drone. No drone compared to what it was stock. It's just a little bit louder, of course, because there is exhaust on it, but it's like no drone at all. Man, I'm so happy. Oh, big happy Po. All right, so we just got to Jake's apartment. We're gonna go knock on his door. He's up there editing right now. I'm gonna tell him that his car got rear-ended. I'm gonna say I pulled into the shop and then I was backing it out and hit my car. Okay. Just so he would go back there and look at the end of it. It's on right now, so you can barely hear it. All right, let's see how this goes. Okay, so when I was taking it to Monroe, and the only reason I'm recording is because every situation I have to record. When I flipped my truck, I was recording. When I was driving your car, no, I didn't flip your car. I actually made it here in the car. But I was driving and I stopped at the shop, and when I was backing out, my car was sitting there in the shop parking lot, and I hit my car.
So lying. Yeah, I've known you for years.
No, dog, I hit my car. I'm being dead serious.
I know you have bad luck, but you don't have Gavin bad luck.
No, I'm being serious, dude. Look at the back of your car right now.
Where is it?
Over there.
You're so lying. It's fine. And those are new. Did y'all do another muffler delete?
No.
No.
No. I may or may not have straight piped your car. I know it was so soon to the Volvo, so it was kind of in your mind, but like...
That's way better than what I expected a straight pipe 4-cylinder Mustang to sound like.
I know that's why you didn't want to do it.
Yeah, it sounds weird.
I was like, we're gonna take his car and we're gonna do it. It sounds freaking great. Go give it on a drive. Let's go drive it. Dude, okay, so do you like it? I mean, I didn't go to Monroe. Obviously, we know that.
Yeah.
Oh. It's not loud. It doesn't drone. It's literally just clean exhaust.
I've been trying to get an exhaust set up for this car about a month after I bought it. That was my plan. And then camera didn't work, so I had to get a new camera. As you know, I don't just get cheap cameras, so like I just haven't had the time or money to get an actual exhaust set up for it. So I was looking at a few. I was actually looking about the other day.
Would you rather spend $1,000 or have me just do it for you and make it sound just as good?
I mean, it's definitely nothing that would even make any policeman like bat an eye at.
Oh yeah.
It just sounds good.
It sounds good, it looks good, it's clean, it's crisp, it's clear, and it's not loud.
It sounds like Poe maybe. Poe Fabrication.
PoFab.
I have a PoFab exhaust.
I have a PoFab.
A Magna Poe exhaust.
Magna Poe. PoMaster.
Yeah, it's the Poe Master special right here. I'm gonna have a car that makes sound now.
All right, Jake. Well, there you go.
Who do I owe money to?
You don't know any money.
You did it for free?
Yeah. Jake's hugging me right now. You need exhaust in your life. All right, guys, so that was a video of installing Jake's exhaust, and surprised him. He actually liked it a lot, which I was actually really surprised. I didn't know if he would or not. Y'all have a good one. Don't do this yourself, because some friends aren't gonna be like that, and not many people like the fact that you mess with their cars. It's just everyone knows that I love to do stuff like that. Jake knew that there was a chance of that happening if I were to take his car. That's just how we are. That's how we love to be. So, y'all, thank you very much for watching. Have a good day, and remember to freaking sit.